Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is three waves up for W. I think it's three waves down for X, and I still think this is likely to make another three-way pattern, which would be an ABC on sort of time frames, for a wave Y, likely going up to probably at least a 78, maybe even 100% Fibonacci extension. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this five waves up right here, most likely a wave 1, which I think is a wave C because I think this is an A, I think this is a B, and I think we're now in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So we have a wave 1, we have an A, B, C of 2, and I think we are very likely already in that wave 3, which is most likely a wave 3 of wave C. So taking a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think that this right here is a downtrend. Kind of looks to me like a wave A. Looks to me like we made 1, 2, 3 waves up, which tells me it's probably a wave B. And I think we are very likely now going down for a wave C. Wave C probably will take out the low of wave A. Probably the 100 or the 123 would be a very likely target for this wave C to end this correction and get another entry to go long for the continuation of this higher time frame uptrend. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I still think that this over here is actually supposed to be the top of this trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes this right here a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down wave A. That makes this another almost perfect 1, 2, 3 waves up. Most likely A, B, C, or B. And I think it's pretty likely we are now going down for a wave C. Like I said, the 100% or the 123 I think would be a pretty likely target for this wave C, and probably a pretty good chance to start looking for longs for the continuation of this bigger, higher time frame uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, nice little series of higher highs, higher lows, nice break of structure. I think that helps prove that this really is the end of a correction. And also, this is definitely the shape of a 1, 2, 3. This is for sure not a correction to the uptrend. That is definitely a 1, 2, 3. I would expect on these higher time frames, it's probably going to continue. Maybe on like the 4 hour to 1 hour time frame, continue to make lower lows, lower highs, which I actually think is probably going to be all a downtrend for a wave C. I still think this is a correction to the uptrend on the very high time frames, but I think on the shorter time frames we need to be looking for shorts until we can identify the end of this wave C, which, like I said, the 100% or the 123.6 I think would be a pretty likely target for this move down on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.